an anti-humidity mousse. In July, sign me up. I'm Jaisha, and I just got my hands on the newest product from the Doux. This is the Block Star Anti-Humidity Mousse, and this is the newest product in the Block Party collection. The Block Party is specifically for blocking out humidity. So I'm gonna try this today on my wash and go. Starting off on freshly washed hair, of course, freshly deep conditioned. I'm not using this product with any other products. And it does suggest that on the directions. I know we don't like to read directions, but it says for best results and maximum humidity resistance, do not apply oil or leave-in conditioner before applying this product. So we're just doing her by herself. And it suggests applying to damp hair, which is typical for a mousse. They usually work better on damp hair. First pump. Looks like any other mousse would. Smells nice, feels nice. You guys know I love the Doux. I mean, who doesn't love the Doux? Like, it's just such a good brand for natural hair. Wow, it's already it's applying like a gel would. Like, the fact that my curls are elongated and there's like already no frizz is a wonderful sign. I've tried a lot of products from the Doux, and I love almost all of the products that I've tried from them. What I find so interesting about this product, for one, I don't typically use mousses for my wash and goes. I like more of a stronger hold. Mousses are great for definition, but they don't typically provide hold. Like, the best you're gonna get with a mousse is medium hold. This says actually medium to firm hold formula. They may have like more moisturizing properties, but for longevity purposes, I typically just stick with a gel. But this product is so interesting because the fact that mousses aren't strong hold, how on earth did they make this anti-humidity? Like, I just don't know another mousse, and you can correct me if I'm wrong, I just don't know a mousse that can block out humidity. Like, we've seen anti-humidity products, right? I don't know, I guess they're not claiming that your style is gonna last all week. I don't know, they're claiming I guess it's gonna be frizz-free. Okay, no. I don't know of any other mousse that's specifically labeled as anti-humidity. There's the Doux climate control line. I think they have a climate control gel and maybe a mousse too. I've never tried Doux, but I don't know of any other mousses that are specifically anti-humidity labeled. Like, we'll see anti-frizz, and I don't know, even some of the ones that say frizz-free, it's like, I don't know, there's a little bit of frizz in here. I'm loving this so far. Wow, this is about to convert me from a gel girl to a mousse girl. I love how my hair looks like it does when I'm applying gel. If you know of another product that is a mousse that claims to be anti-humidity, I want to test it out. And the Doux is very smart for dropping this product in July when it's super hot and humid outside, because the Block Party itself dropped in like mid-winter, and I was like, what's up with this? There was no way to test these claims. I'm not used to applying product on damp hair, and I feel like that's what's making it work so well. So yeah, I'm just super intrigued to see how long my wash and go lasts, and if it's really anti-humidity. Like, I'm curious what they put in here that's gonna make it. Okay, sirens, getting closer and closer. So yeah, the Doux might be like, they might have a whole new invention on their hands. They might be changing the game with this one, depending on how this is gonna work. But I have faith, because their products usually live up to what they claim that they can do. So we're gonna see. And again, I could be dragging it. Like there might be another anti-humidity mousse that I just don't know about. But I feel like I always see like anti-humidity sprays and anti-humidity serums kind of thing, but anti-humidity mousse? I'm honestly like really shocked at how my hair is turning out right now. And if this style doesn't come out the way that I want, or if it doesn't last too long, I'm probably just gonna end up pairing it with the Block Party Anti-Humidity Gel, because that gel never fails. Just for a little bit more hold. And maybe I'll do a video using them together. It's really smoothing into my hair so nicely. I feel like this is like going so quickly. But I'm gonna finish the rest of my hair and then I'll be back with the results. So I'm done applying the product all over. So far, some of the things that I really like about this mousse, first off, I like the pump that this bottle comes in. It's just very easy, simple. The size, I don't know. It's a good pump on here. I like that a whole bunch of product doesn't come out from the pump. Functional, very functional. I like how smooth the product is. Like just applying it onto my hair is just like super soft and velvety. It makes it feel like I'm moving through my head faster. It makes it feel like I'm getting my hair done faster. I don't know. But it feels very nice. My hair is very light right now. It's like it feels like there's product. No, it doesn't really feel like there's product in there. It just feels like my hair, it's like lighter than when my hair is even wet. Even to the touch, it's just like super soft. I don't know. I'm not gonna make too many claims too soon. I'm gonna sit under my hooded dryer and dry my hair 100%, and then we will be back with the final results. I'm speechless right now. I honestly don't even know where to begin. And I know it probably sounds like the Doux is paying me, and I promise you they are not. These products are really just like, I enjoy them that much. What did they put in here? What did they put in here? I need to know. Let me gather myself because I don't know where to begin. My absolute favorite thing about using a mousse is how quickly my hair dries as opposed to when I use a gel. Gel takes forever to dry. I didn't even have to sit under my dryer for that long, maybe 20 minutes-ish, something like that. That's the one thing that I love about a mousse, not very particular to this product, but about using a mousse. Dried very quickly, but I think that's actually one of their claims on here. Improves drying time and keeps curls popping in any weather. See? Yeah, so that might be a part of their formula of how quick my hair dried. I don't know if you can tell, but my hair looks like I used a gel. It looks like and feels like I used a gel. A strong gel at that. So like there's crunch. There's crunch. Not like ramen noodle crunch, but there's some crunch there to where I know it has hold. It's kind of firm, but kind of soft at the same time. I don't know how to explain, that doesn't make any sense, but that's just the best way that I can explain it. It's like the perfect mix of a gel and a mousse because it has the hold, but also still a little bit of that flexibility and the softness of a mousse. It's like having day 3 of a gel. Like you get to skip all the flatness, the crunchiness of a stronghold gel on those first 2 days when your hair just is like whatever, but then you get to that day 3, day 4, and it's just perfect. Like that's what I feel like I'm getting right now. Like how it's super defined. My hair doesn't feel like it's about to break in half because of how hard it is. Like this just feels like the perfect happy medium. I'm gonna have to see if this lasts as long as a gel would last, because I just used the Block Party Anti-Humidity Gel and I had that wash and go for like 6-7 days. And if this mousse goes that far, I mean, at this point, I'm not even questioning if it's anti-humidity. Just from how my hair feels, I don't think it's gonna frizz up when I go outside. But if it lasts as long as a gel does, like, we are in business. Like, I just found my go-to product for forever. Even if it doesn't last a full 6-7 days, I have no problem reapplying. Like, if it gets a little too frizzy for my liking, you know, midweek, I can just go back in and use the mousse on the frizzy pieces or whatever I want to touch up. Just put a little bit more mousse on there and I think it should be fine. Should I do another week in my hair and show you guys like how this progresses as the days go on? I don't know, but this is definitely a game changer for me. This might be life changer for me. Okay, I'm dragging it. I'm just so impressed. I'm so super duper impressed by this product. And it smells good. Yeah, I would definitely get another bottle of this. For sure. Anti-frizz, high definition, high shine, anti-humidity mousse. All-in-one styler that blocks humidity, fights frizz, and clumps curls with ease. Medium to firm hold formula moisturizes, shines, and defines curls in one step. Improves drying time and curls popping, keeps curls popping in any weather. They're not lying. They are not lying. So those are my initial thoughts. These are really just my first impressions because I have to see how this lasts as the days go by. But I'm feeling pretty good about how I love how my hair looks right now, and I'm just feeling pretty good about how the style is going to hold up over the next week. So yeah, I hope you found this video helpful. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up. Let me know down below if you plan on trying this mousse for your hair. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you want to see more of my videos, and I will catch you in the next one. Bye.